The internet was once a vast frontier, a wild playground of chaos, creativity, and connection, a digital wilderness, where anyone could carve out their own weird corner. But that frontier got fenced in. Algorithms took over, feeds got curated, and the raw magic slipped away, replaced by ads and engagement farming. Not everyone was ready to let go. Enter virtual Krewe of Vaporwave. Born in New Orleans, a city that never plays by the rules, this group of artists saw the internet's drift into artificiality. But instead of mourning, they clapped back with parody, nostalgia, and absurdity.
Very controversial was the defenestration simulator. A lot of people didn't like that.
VKV isn't just an art collective. It's a digital fever dream, a rebellion in pixelated neon. Their work isn't here to comfort you. It's here to confuse you, to make you laugh, cringe, and question if you're in control or just another pixel in someone else's algorithm. Dive into the chaos, catch the full virtual Krewe of Vaporwave's Slopumentary, and explore the absurd, nostalgic, and unsettling side of the modern internet. Witness it live, Friday, the 14th of February, 2025, the Fredhampton Free Store, 5523 St. Claude Avenue, New Orleans, 8 p.m. to 2 a.m. maybe. Step into the chaos, lose yourself in the absurd. Are you watching the Slopumentary, or is it watching you?